I'm getting soaked. Getting soaked. Oh no, bad decision. Oh no, soaking. Oh no, can't fit out. Ah, you're jolting. Yeah, you get soaked. Don't do it. Ah, thank you. Yeah, for you. Yeah. Thank you. Right, ladies and gents. It's morning in Chiang Mai again. Coffee run. You know I had to do it. And today we're going to a place called the Land of Angels, which sounds insane. And from the pictures and stuff, looks insane. So, I'll see you there. Come on. Right, so we've just got here to the Land of Angels. Let's see, Angel. Let's see where all the stunning views are. Look, guys. Waterfalls are spraying. Do you like it? Yeah. Well, that's good then. There's like a little fog condensers, just kind of, no, not fog condensers, like fog sprayers, little fog machines. Trying to make it look mystical and magical. Odds on I dive straight in. Yeah, man. Right, look what I'm about to traverse with Co. Da, 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 da. Wish me luck. Whoop. 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 Oh. Hope the GoPro's waterproof. Hey! Yeah. Da, 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 da. Do you like it? They're all inside a cave. Not a bad stop for a little coffee and some waffles.
How was breakfast with waffles?
Yeah. Cal was having waffles for breakfast. Told him he could have what he wanted. That's what he chose, so holiday's holiday, innit? Holiday rules. You're not having waffles for breakfast, are you?
Waffles for breakfast? Let me just get the cream off.
Look at that for a toddler breakfast, boys.
Let me split it in half, it's a little bit hot.
He's like one of them Disney Channel kids that wakes up and can have whatever he wants. He'll probably eat one little bit of peanut or a blueberry and then just run off.
Wow.
Here's what it is. Nah, Cole's breakfast. Ruby's smashed the cake. Dad's got the bill. Oh, man. It looks like tea?
Yeah.
Well, I think you might be blind.
There we go, got rid of the cream.
Looks like tea, lads. If you say so, kid. Yeah, I don't really eat at this time in the morning.
What did you say?
I mean, it's like early afternoon now, but it's still a bit too early for me. For my first meal, just coffee for me for now. Especially not rainbow ice cream.
I'll try it. Do you want me to
This
try
boy is
it
going to be
for
on
you?
skits mode later, turbo mode. What about this guy?
High five.
Go on then.
Looks rubbish, that.
Again.
We're going to be here for the foreseeable.
You spend it all our time.
As long as you're having fun, mate. You don't want to see me bust a flip on this thing.
Yo.
Yeah, we're frolicking in the flowers. Come back! I can't get in there. No, I actually had to leg it then. I actually lost him. So I cutting him out in between the flowers and that. I literally had to leg it. He was cutting him out like, there's like little paths and he was just climbing in the middle trying to get away from me, laughing his head off. Oh man. This spot's actually sick. It's just like in a rainforest type thing. We've just built it into like some mad rainforest with waterfalls and that. They've got loads of play areas and stuff, so Koa can play about and burn some energy. You don't want to see me raw dog this. You think I'm scared of raw dog in this little swamp? Oh, mad regret, really bad regret. Oh, there's bits in my toes. Oh no. Oh, I thought it was going to be solid floor, it was mud. Ah, never mind. Look at that, boys! Yes! Oh yes, boys! I don't think I should be up here. Never mind, eh? I'm getting fucking soaked. Whoa. What a spot, boys! What a spot! Ooh. Look at that! It's fucking raining! Mate, it's so hot here that just feels beaut standing near that. What's this way? Da -da -da -da. A little love heart there. We'll try and get to that little heart there. Yeah, come on. Look at this girl, look. Here's me with a GoPro. And Ruby's going around trying to get the perfect views. Vlog section. Oh. Look at that. Mate, it just makes me want to dive in there. Hey, at least there's a light at the end of the tunnel. I'm here all week. What? What's up? Oh, we're at the Love Heart. That's the Love Heart. Well, it is a love art, isn't it? I know what a love art looks like. Well, yeah. A bit wibbly wobbly. Nah, this is fire though. Koa, you want to go out? Look, you can go down there, look. You can go through the hole. Take your time. You can go under there and you'll see Mummy. Be very careful. Be very careful, I say. Take your time, I say. Literally runs under, cracks his head straight away, for God's sake. Oh, man. This place is absolutely phenomenal. And then next door is just chilling, rural. But no, this place is absolutely sick. We're just at the top now. Sun is ganning. Can't even open my eyes. But yeah, it's wicked in here. Absolutely wicked. Let's see what else there is then. Watch your head. Go really, really low. There you go. Let's scare him. Oh, look at this little part. Nah. I know that this is really slippy. I just can't prove it. Oh God. What a nice place to slip over though. Right, it's time to see if this GoPro is waterproof or not. Hopefully. The baby goats, guys. Oh. The boys are feeding the goats.
They do, look. Do you like it, hey?
Yeah, how's work, boys?
Does he like you? And then
Broke it.
come on, babe. Come on. Can you even get through there? No.
What a spot this is. We just asked the fella to take a photo for us. He took loads. Dead nice guy. But as I was talking to him, I toe poked the wall. Like it was like pumice stone, rock wall. Toe poked it barefoot. And I was talking to him like that. Oh, thanks for taking the photo. Yeah. Good job, mate. Thank you. Yeah, nice one. Bye. Oh, mate. All my toenails bent back and that. Oh, man. I had to try and firm it. Excuse me, mate. How much to the nearest ladyboy bar?
Okay.
How many pounds?
One.
Okay. £1 to get to the ladyboys. You getting him, Ruse? Come on. Look at the fit check, boys. Look at the fit check. I'm feeling myself today. Come on. Except my toe is killing me. I literally bent my toenail back. That was grim, mate. But hey, it is what it is. Accidents happen. Even the best have got to fall sometimes, innit? Yeah, this bit will look lovely when it's finished. Don't think that's part of it, Cal. Right, this is probably a foolish decision. But let's go inside here and see what it's like. Oh, I'm getting soaked. Getting soaked. Oh no, bad decision. Oh no, soaking. Oh no, can't fit off. Ah, you Jordan. Yeah, you get soaked. Don't do it. Can we hear a big oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah.
Mate, this is a second-hand GoPro, so I hope to God the waterproof works.
Yeah.
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah.
Give a thumbs up. Give a peace out the camera. Yeah, there, careful. Oh, just smacked me on that. Good job, mate. How cute, how sweet. Yeah, we'll walk down the path less trodden, boys. Nah, this looks like that scene from King Kong where the insects come all down the walls. Nah, I'm finished. The pearly gates are down here, boys. Hey, you. Damn. Vape Nation. Smells like grape down here. Hey guys, welcome to my skincare routine. As you can see, I've got dirty water here. It's great for your skin. Oh yeah, freshen up, baby. Fucking tangled in leaves, boy. Go that hole. What's up, TikTok? What's up, YouTube? Subscribe to 50K. Do you want to go down the scary road? Go on then. Let's see you go. Let mommy put you down. Go, go. Kid is not scared of the scary road. Now seriously, if you know what I'm talking about that scene from King Kong, the old King Kong, where they're like in this big canyon and they've got spiders coming down the walls, it looks just like this. Feels like I just walked right out of heaven. Hey. Right, ladies and gents, I think that's it for the what's this place called? Land of Angels. I see 2 angels right there. Yeah, I think that's it. That was absolutely sick. And now we're gonna try and go to some place that's called like the Koi Cafe or the Carp Cafe. I'll show you that when we get there, boys, but it's something else pure sick. I'm gonna go in this blue water just for banter. GoPro waterproof. Now the GoPro should be waterproof. The sound's probably a bit messed up now though, but it should be good, Damn, look at this. Let's see what this is then, boys. Hopefully it's how it looked on the photos and stuff. Well, cars. Look, baby. Thank you. Look at this, buddy. Oh, have I buttered the roof again? Whoa! All over the side. Kicking water at us. It just like sucked my finger. Nah, fish hand before I eat my dinner. Look at that for a spot to eat your dinner, boys. Come on. Girly one's mine, boys, don't worry.
Soda.
What are you?
Give it a little taste test.
I didn't even check if that was edible before I ate it. I think it's just sweet.
So.
There you go, Co. Lychee juice, mate, that's the one. Cheers, Rook. Lychee juice, the best, baby. Plain spaghetti for Co-op. Potato and cheese ball then, let's have a go. That was hot, but it was good. Just like a potato top with cheese, pretty much. Look at that! Look at that! Just trying to find the toilet, man. I'm in the jungle. This is the maddest restaurant I've ever been in. Oh man. Like loads of times today. Loads of times today. That place was absolutely insane. Food was banging as well. Walk under the cherry blossoms. Oh, Japan. Let's get out of here, man. In fact, that's the end of the video. So, peace out, guys. Thanks for watching, and we will see you tomorrow. Get your dogs in that, boy. Woo!